The Nigerian Psychological Association has urged President Muhammadu Buhari to assent to the bill for an act to establish the Nigerian Council for Psychologists already passed by National Assembly. Professor Michael Ezenwa, President MPA, during a press conference in Abuja, stressed that when the NCfP bill is signed into law, it would provide the needed regulation for high-standard psychologists Nigerians deserve. Ezenwa pointed out different branches of psychology that address different areas of human needs.
It is a highly specialized scientific field that spans into all areas of human endeavor. This explains its different branches that address different areas of human needs, including environmental psychology, experimental psychology, neuropsychology, physiological psychology, social and personality psychology, educational psychology, child psychology, developmental psychology, social psychology, engineering psychology, and many more areas of specialization. This is the area psychologists have been trained, and we are willing to support our government address these issues. This is our country, and no persons from outside can salvage it than us, no matter how the individuals pretend to love Nigeria. The Nigerian Council for Psychologists bill, when signed into law, will provide the needed regulation for high-standard psychologists that Nigerians deserve. Indeed, it is my belief that many of our issues as a country may have stemmed from absence of psychologists in the mainframe of the public and private sectors in Nigeria.
He also pointed out that many of the developmental challenges facing the country emanate from negative attitude, which require professionally planned behavioral changes only psychologists can offer.
I share the view that if Nigeria had integrated psychologists in all hospitals, both public and private, ministries and agencies of government, if individuals and communities have had the space to discuss their challenges with trained psychologists, there would have been many opportunities for the citizens to seek and receive help, and this may have arrested many mental health and social issues from escalation. Indeed, many issues of suicide are related to mental health challenge of depression. In fact, across civilized climes, for mild to moderate depression, and even in severe depression, where medication may become important, psychological treatment is still an integral component of intervention for better outcome. In the absence of these services, therefore, proper management of the condition will become a challenge.
He, however, noted that with the assent of Mr. President to the bill, it will become possible to engage the various sectors for planned and motivated changes in behavior.
The President and Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, our own President Muhammadu Buhari, GCFR, to kindly assent to the bill for an act to establish Nigerian Council for Psychologists already passed by the National Assembly in the public interest.